Hi everybody, welcome to the first unboxing video of the 2019. Anyway, I spent like the past year doing only haul videos, and I did only one unboxing video, which was my MacBook. Actually, the MacBook when I'm working to edit all my videos. I'm so professional, I know. But anyway, recently I bought a little things for myself, which is inside this bag from Furla. Whoa! Look at the pattern of the bag, it's so cute. And I still didn't open it, so let's open it together. Let's unbox it together because this is an unboxing video. So I probably needed a pair of scissors or a knife, but oh no, this is fast. Okay, so no scissors, no knife. Oh, ooh, I didn't notice that. Look at that. The socket, white socket with the logo on it, Furla. And you already noticed what's inside my new bag. Oh my gosh, look, it's so cute. So this is my new Furla bag, a very simple and versatile bag, which is perfect for Lolita and for other styles. I mean, I can wear it with almost everything, also when I'm going to the dance school. It's very, very simple and large, so I can put lots of stuff inside. And I can wear it with mostly everything on my closet. So let's open it. So this is a small pocket here, and inside there's the paper. Okay, this is the inside of the bag. This is very useful. And here I have a pocket here, and another one here for documents and sort of things. This is the, oh yeah, it's in leather, I mean, this is written here. And this is like the product care and yeah, how to keep the bag in a good state, which is really hard for me because I killed like all my bags in the past 10 years. I had also a beautiful bag which was called the Bed Bag from Manabilliejean, and I completely destroyed. And this is the very bad side of me. I destroyed like every type of bag because I used to put lots of stuff in here. So this is why I choose this one, because it's really large, as you can see, and it's small. And this is perfect because I don't like really like big bags, and I prefer the small ones and the large ones, which is very good. I'm gonna put the phone. Ta-da! Isn't it so cute? And it's matching only with this, with my favorite blouse, my manabilliejean blouse. And it's good also for elegant gothic aristocrat, simple, and my everyday gothic Lolita style. And this is the logo, and this is the chain with the logo also here. Yes. I'm gonna close it, and voila, this is ready to wear. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching my first unboxing video of the year. I really hope you like it, and I really hope you enjoy it. I love my new bag, and I can't wait to bring it out tomorrow probably. If you like this unboxing video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and put the notification bell on so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.